Welcome. In front of me is an ROG Phone 7 from ASUS, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our toggles by swiping down from the top of our screen, like so. Do so once again to extend the list of toggles, and then we're just simply looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle. If it's not visible on the first page, as I cannot see it here, I'm gonna swipe to the side, and this will show me a second page of toggles. Now again, I don't actually see it right here, so moving on. We have it on a third page, at least I do. You can see it right over here. So once you see this toggle, if you're doing this the first time, I would recommend holding it. This will then open up the settings, and here we can swipe down, and we have a bunch of options associated with the mode. So under people, we can select who can call us or message us. Then we have schedule. So here you can select a custom schedule, so the mode turns on and off automatically based on the provided time, start and end time, and also day of the week. Additionally, you can also create multiple ones by selecting add more if you want to, and obviously if you want to use the schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on in here, and that's all you would do. Going back, we have also duration for quick settings. I recommend for everyone, or setting this up for everyone who's going to be using Do Not Disturb mode occasionally, not on a schedule, but just like randomly turning it on. Maybe you're going to business meeting and you need to just turn it on. It's maybe the first time you're turning it on. Set it up to be on a timer. Maybe a couple more hours if you want to, or if you feel like you need to, and then confirm it. Now the reason I recommend setting this up is because typically if you are utilizing some function of your device that you might be using for the very first time, you will enable it because obviously it's beneficial, but afterwards, when you're done, as an example, with your meeting, you will probably forget about the mode. It served its purpose when you were starting the meeting, so therefore it kind of skipped your mind from that point on. And what will happen now is if you don't set this up and you just have the default one until turn off, obviously the mode will be running indefinitely in the background until you turn it off. And whatever the settings you have chosen, obviously will be constantly in effect. So if, for instance, under calls you selected that no one can call you, then you won't be getting any kind of calls from anyone. So you can see how that might be a little bit problematic later on. So with this option right here, after 4 hours, at least how I set it up, the mode will automatically turn off. So pretty good option to have enabled just in case. Now you can go over the rest of the settings and customize them to fit your needs. I just wanted to touch upon a couple of the ones that I find more interesting, more important. So from there we can just close this and then find the toggle once again, tap on it whenever you need to use your mode or Do Not Disturb mode. With the timer, it will show you till what time it's going to be running. So it's going to be till 10:16 p.m. at which point it will automatically turn off. But I can turn it off myself before that time by just simply tapping on a toggle again, obviously. So there we go. Now with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.